Hello everybody, it's Blocky and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add indicators in Robinhood Legend. I'm going to be making a bunch of more videos about how to add each specific one, but this is like the main general video because it's really simple to add indicators. So what you're going to do is load up a chart right here in Robinhood Legend, and I have the SPY chart pulled up. And what you want to do is at the top right corner, you'll see this F right here, and that is the indicators option. So if you left click on that, you click on add indicator, and here you can add pretty much any indicator that you want. So we're going to go ahead and add the RSI, and you can do that by just clicking on it. And then as you can see, we have the RSI pulled up right here. Now you can go ahead and you can actually click on this pencil button to edit it. So like we can even edit some of the colors down here and like the length, and you can change where it's overbought and oversold. By default it's gonna be 70-30, but like I said, you can change the colors in this as well. For oversold you can make it green. For overbought we can make that like red, just to kind of give you a little bit of a difference. You can see the red line and the green line down here now. So that's pretty much all you have to do in order to add an indicator. If you want to add another one, you can add more than one too, so we can have the exponential moving average as well. And you'll see this pink line appear on the screen right here. And once again, we can do the same thing to the exponential moving average. We can edit it. We can change it to a dotted line, make it 3 pixels, and change the color to this gray right here. And then click the back button, and it will go ahead and show up right here for us. And that is pretty much all that you have to do in order to add indicators. You can add any indicator that you pretty much want on here. You can even search for them. If you click add indicator again, you can search for the indicators. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.